I don't know, my phone cut off, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to add this to the other video. But I love you guys all, and I hope you have an amazing night, amazing day. Thank you for being here with me. If you're a new subscriber, it was a pleasure having you, and I hope to see you next time. I love you all, you guys, and I hope y'all have a blessed day. So I'll see you next time in my next video, and make sure that you hit the subscribe and like button and hit the bell for the notifications. So YouTube has been acting a little bit crazy, so you have to make sure that you hit the bell button. That way you can be notified each time I upload a new video. So yeah, so if you're coming from Instagram, thank you so much for coming and seeing me and visiting my profile and visiting me. It really means the world to me, you guys. I love this, and it's something that I look forward to doing for you guys and for myself in the future. Like, this is something that I really am passionate about. So I love you all so much, and thank you. So farewell. I'll see you till next time, and yes, I'm out. Bye.